In this video, I'll show you how to clear Microsoft Teams cache on your PC. If you're experiencing issues with Microsoft Teams, you have to clear your cache, and here's how to. Firstly, click on the search bar and type App Data and press Enter. Inside that folder, find and open the Microsoft folder. Then open the Teams folder. Locate the folders named Cache, Code, Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click on each of these folders and select Delete. Make sure you delete the entire folder, not just the contents. After deleting these folders, close File Explorer. Reopen Microsoft Teams and the app will automatically recreate these folders, now cleared of any old cache files. Clearing the cache can resolve various issues like slow performance or login problems. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.